We really about to get active. This shit about to be fucking hilarious.
Little baits and hooks in here. I've been on my panfish shit, so.
We got him squirming and shit. Yo.
That's a thumbnail.
You said that's the thumbnail?
Yeah.
I'm gonna name this video 3 Black Guys Go Fishing. To chop him up.
Cause I actually fillet fish with that.
Ow! Damn.
Damn. Cut yourself?
Yeah, a little bit.
Man, I got AIDS.
No, I got AIDS.
What would you rather have, AIDS or COVID?
COVID.
You said AIDS or COVID?
Yeah.
COVID.
Oh, the water.
The fuck?
Oh shit.
What?
What's going on? I think the tide going up or something.
Nah, that's something weird.
Oil coming from somewhere.
You talking about this brown shit?
Yeah, it's probably a big ass fish.
Oh shit. Crazy.
The fuck? Alright, right here we got a bloody worm, okay? I want to do an Australian accent, but it's not good, so don't go ahead and slice this little motherfucker in half. Look at him, squirming and shit. You think he about to get away? Dumbass nigga. Go ahead, cut him. Damn it. Come on. There we go. Motherfucker squirming. Put that motherfucker back in here. Done now. Get that. Put that little piece back in there. So you can't be scared to get your hands dirty if you want to fish. I ain't do this in so fucking long. Stop squirming, motherfucker. Stop squirming, nigga. Stop squirming, nigga. There we go. Straight now. You ready to get to it?
Gonna cast him in there.
There we go.
I tell you, man, that shit fucking lit. I caught like 15 in one night.
15?
Yeah. Easy though.
Go ahead, let it sink down for a little second. Just wait it. You know what I'm saying? Now we good. Reel him in a little bit. Now we just let it sit. We gonna see who's gonna be the first nigga to catch a fish.
You got one?
Where?
Pull it up, nigga.
Nigga, look.
It was just on there.
It was on?
Yeah, you had a striper.
Oh shit, I did.
Yeah, that's why I grabbed the camera. He had a striper.
I had a striper, it came off.
Damn. That little.
Fuck. All right, y'all, we leaving right now. We about to go to a new spot. We've been here for fucking 2 hours. That's why I ain't do nothing. I think my man's, I don't know if he got it on this camera or not, but if y'all did, if he did, it's on here. I fucking caught a fish and then he fell off the damn shit. It was only one hit. We've been here for 2 hours. We are currently about to switch spots and go somewhere else, but I gotta stop to Wawa and get something to drink and something to eat.
Moral of the story, we ain't catch
Not a goddamn thing. Nothing. Yeah, we just switch spots. It ain't no fucking tide. Low ass tide. It's people over there drumming. I wish I could zoom in more. It's a group of people over there on that damn island.
That's Africa over there, bro.
You said that's Africa?
Yeah. Somebody light skin, bro, because it's like over here.
South Africa.
So yeah.
He said, that's Africa. That's West Africa.
Oh my god.
Yo. What the, bro?
That's
what?
not even New Jersey.
That's something.
That's like, that shit ain't
Jersey
even.
is in the back.
Middle East trust.
That is Hog Island.
Hog Island, for sure.
Hog Island?
Any
Hog
pigs over there?
Island.
You think any pigs over there?
Huh?
Think any pigs over there?
Pigs?
Are pigs called pigs because they're at the farm? Like hogs are hogs because they're wild. Like A wild.
Well, they not even the same animal though.
Yeah.
No, they not. They don't even look the same. I mean, they look the same, but they not the same animal.
Yeah, what?
Hog's not even pink.
Boar, hog, pig.
They all in the same family. They just not the same exact animal.
They cousins.
So
Yeah, they cousins.
Cousins.
Damn. So what's the Kuna Matata? He's a hog.
That's a warthog.
Warthog. I remember I used to get those on Black Ops too. Warthogs. It's like an 8-kill streak.
Fuck.
And then 50 school streak. Getting the fucking crib where it's going. Don't have that shit on Nuketown, bro. I fucking
What? Had what on Nuketown?
rage quit the fucking Wraith, bro.
The what?
A
Oh,
warthog.
you talking about the?
Yeah, bro. Get your ass on the fucking house.
I ain't like that shit. That kill streak.
Shit was cheating, but when I had that shit, bro, get down on the ground, bitch. I'm like,
Remember the Vito?
Veto warship, boy. Get that bitch come across the map like this.
What the fuck? Look at that shit. You see that dog down there?
There you go, Jim. What's that, a sheepdog?
I don't fucking know.
That's an Australian Shepherd.
Oh shit.
For real?
Crikey.
Yo, look at the dog, bruh.
Oh wow. That's why the dog said, come here.
He lay right down. What the fuck, bruh?
I don't know. I know they got white carpet in there.
Yo, that dog about to be dirty as shit, bruh.
That dog about to be on back for the rest of the night. Water holes.
We at the third fucking spot, man. And we can see what we about to get.
6 niggas, 2 bitches.
That's a crazy ratio.
That's crazy. They nasty.
The clown guy.
They always in that motherfucker happy too. I gotta go to Best Buy after this. Before I go home, I go to Best Buy.
See the bluegills?
Where they at?
Right under it.
See right under? Bluegills.
Oh yeah, right
See
here.
'em?
It's eating a worm.
Where?
Right here.
Fuck, I can't see that shit.
Come where I'm at, right? So you
Eating
got
a worm. That's
then
crazy.
look like to the right where you just get over it. See him?
I don't know where the fuck I'm looking at. Is it right here?
Right here,
You
look.
see them 2 big rocks right here, the butt cheeks right on the shadow line?
Right where this stuff
Look to the right a little bit. It's a fish. You see them worms right there?
I see worms. I just don't see no
To the
fish.
Right in between the shadow line. You see his tail?
Oh yeah, I see it. I think.
You got a little yellow piece on the back of his tail.
Fuck. You good?
You good?
I think it's a duck.
Yo, wow, the water's so fucking. I want no smoke.
They fuck around here with a charge. I don't want a charge. I don't want none of that shit. First fucking catch of the day. It
Don't
took
this hurt, bro?
it took 8 hours.
That part? Don't that part hurt?
Why is it on fucking?
Coddle them. You gentle. You go from the bottom, that's cool. Ain't nothing to poke you down.
Look at that shit. It took 8 hours. How you feel?
I'm ready to jump in.
Nigga look like he never touched a fish before.
Oh my god, I got him in the neck. On the head.
Let me see, let that go.
Huh? There you go.
Look at that motherfucker. I should hold him.
Yeah.
Let me hold him.
They bit you?
Nah, bro, I don't know where that came from. I don't know who that was. The fuck was that?
Yo! What the fuck?
Oh, I didn't even know how to do that.
Yo, you fucking stupid. Alright, y'all. What time is it? 5:39. I ain't catch one fucking fish. This nigga caught 2 fish. He caught one. He caught another one off cam. This nigga got his shirt off.
Bro, it's busting out of this room. It's like that. YouTube regulation.
But nah, though, man. We gotta end this shit right here.
We're gonna have to put tape on them things.
It's gonna be a.
Tape them up.
I'm gonna start this shit up again. You know what I'm saying? 3 black guys go fishing. You know what I'm saying? Switching up the flow.
Next time we're gonna pick a real spot. We might have to go a little distance. This is local, so let's go somewhere far.
No bullshit.
What the fuck is going on?
That's what we're gonna do though. But hey, man, if you watch the video, make sure you like, share, subscribe if you're new. And I'm out.
I don't wanna talk if money ain't the then discussing. She be mad when I be leaving. She be cussing, she be fussing. We don't win a team. Have emotion, shit is endless.